Algebraic expressions. Let us expand brackets to explore factorization of quadratic expressions. Let us expand the brackets. X times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 8 is 24. So the two middle terms add to 11x. Now this is a quadratic expression. Quadratic because it's x squared plus 11x and then plus the constant term. So if we factorize this sign tells us that those signs must be the same. And this sign tells us that they must both be positive because the product of these two must be 24 and the sum of the two middle terms, 3x plus 8x, must give me 11x. Let's try a few more. X times x is x squared. X times 12 is 12x. 2 times x is 2x and 2 times 12 is 24. So this is a quadratic expression. The sign tells us that the two signs must be the same. They must both be positive. The numbers in the factors must give me a product of 24 and a sum of 14x. So 2 times 12 is 24, but 2x plus 12x is 14x. X times x is x squared. X times negative 12 is negative 12x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times 12 is positive 24. So let's factorize. This sign tells us that the two signs must be the same. They must both be negative because the product of negative 2 and 12, negative 12, must be positive 24. And the sum of negative 2x, negative 12x, must be negative 14x. Let's expand the brackets. X times x is x squared. X times negative 8 is negative 8x, positive 3x, negative 24. This sign tells us that the two signs must be different. And the sum of 3x and negative 8x must be negative 5x. So the bigger number has to be negative. And positive 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. So to factorize a quadratic expression, we know that this must be x and x, but we are interested in what must this number be, p and q. Let us try to generalize a rule. X times x is x squared. X times q is xq plus px plus pq. So note that the product of p and q is pq, but px plus qx will give me the middle term. So this sign is positive, then these two terms must be positive. If this is negative pq, it means we have to have a positive and a negative number. If this is negative, we know the two signs must be different. So depending if we want a positive middle term or a negative number, the number here will be positive or negative. Look at this example. If this is negative PQ, again, the signs will be different. If it's positive PQ, but we want a big negative middle term, it means the signs must be the same, but both the P and the Q must be negative.